In this example, I have colored all of the last numbers or last digits in each number. If your student is familiar with place value, I have colored all of the ones place values. So you can see that I've highlighted those, and I'm just going to count through and only say the last digit that I see, or the ones place, whatever digit is in the ones place. And we're going to see if we start to hear a pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. All right, we will stop right there. But if you continued on, you would hear the same pattern over and over again. As I look at the ones place, I actually, here it starts with 1, but if I look all the way, I see I actually start with a 0, and then I have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then it starts over again at 0. Now, in just a minute, we're going to look at what happens to our tens place as our pattern goes along. So your student hopefully sees that the ones place continues the pattern over and over again. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, so now I have used two different colors and I have found two different digits in the tens place, or in the first digit out of a two-digit number. For red, I've colored all of the ones red that started with the digit 5. And then I've used green to color all of the numbers that start with the digit 6. So as I'm going through and I'm looking at this pattern, I see that my tens place has a 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, and then I switch. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, and then it switches again. Now, it's important to see that my tens place doesn't change every time that I count on. In fact, it stays the same for a long time. But to know when it's going to change, it's important to look back at that ones place, or the last digit pattern. So remember, from the last slide, we saw that ones digit pattern, and it went 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then it started over again. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now notice when my ones place pattern starts over again, that is when my tens place, or my first digit, changes. The first time that I went through the pattern, I had a 5 here in the tens place every single time. But once my ones place pattern got back to a 9, or got to a 9 and was ready to switch to a 0, that's the time where my tens place switched from the 5 to the 6. And again, if I look at that ones place pattern, once my ones place got all the way up to 9 and was ready to switch to a 0 again, that is when my tens place switched again, in this case going from a 6 to a 7. So it's really important that your student sees what happens with these patterns in the ones place and the tens place. Or, again, if they don't know that terminology, in the first digit and the second digit.